In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Wise Debit Card. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use digital card without any hassle, and you'll understand the small choices that make the process smooth. Start by heading to the Cards area. You'll find it on the left-hand side panel if you're on desktop. This is your hub for everything related to your Wise cards, and it's where you can manage existing cards or request a new one. Once you're there, look for the option that says Order a Debit Card. Click it to begin. You'll now see a choice between a digital card and a physical card. If you need a card immediately and want to avoid extra costs, choose the digital option. A digital card is generated instantly and works just like a physical card for online purchases and contactless payments when added to a supported wallet. It's a great option if you want to start spending right away. A physical card can still be useful if you prefer something you can carry, but it may take time to arrive and could include shipping or issuance fees depending on your region. For speed and simplicity, we'll go with digital. After selecting digital, click Create. This is the step that triggers the card setup. The system will prompt you to enter any required details. These are typically straightforward items Wise needs to finalize your card, such as confirming your name, billing address, or other account information already on file. Take a moment to review and make sure everything is accurate. If a quick verification is requested, follow the on-screen prompts and keep the app or browser open until it's done. Once those details are submitted, your digital card appears right away. You'll see the card details you need for payments, like the card number, expiry date, and security code, displayed securely in the card section. Treat these details carefully and avoid sharing them. Many users like to copy them into a secure password manager for safekeeping. That's the entire activation flow. From here, you can start using your digital Wise card for online checkouts and subscriptions. If your account supports it, you can also add the card to a mobile wallet for contactless payments. Keep an eye on your available balances and the currencies you plan to spend from to avoid unexpected conversion fees. And remember, you can always return to the card section to manage your card settings, review transactions, or update preferences. That's all it takes. Quick, clear, and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Wise digital debit card.